have the beautiful Robin in the studio. Many of you know her from Fabeg, from other videos. Her mom is a very talented painter. So she came in with this beautiful bow on her head. I said I have to use her for a video. So welcome. Say hi.
Hi.
So as we know, Easter is around the corner, so I thought it would be a really cool time to share with you guys some new and updated Easter line busters. I do a lot of Easter events, and one good marketing tip that I'd love to share with you is that I have found that even though doing beautiful face painting is very important, there's a time and a place for everything. And I found parents and kids appreciate faster, really pretty face painting. So if there's ways to simplify what you're already doing amazing, and you can speed up the line without compromising the quality of the design, you are going to get so many more opportunities to pass out business cards and make a lot of people happy. So I'm going to show you guys some of my tips, tricks, and fast designs that you can use while on the job for your next Easter event, which is coming up really soon. All right, guys, as always, thank you for joining me. I'm sorry it's been a while since I've made some videos. I'm trying to make these quickies for you to fill in spaces between Fabeg, because Fabeg is around the corner, and you are going to Fabeg, right?
I can't wait.
She takes the children's classes, our young artist classes. So if you are on the fence, if you have a young artist in your life and you want to help inspire the art in their heart, that is the place to send them. If you love face painting, if you love watching my classes, if you want to learn more, come join us at Fabeg. Don't meet me there, beat me there. You'll get to meet me, you'll get to meet Robin, you'll get to learn from over 50 amazing instructors. There is so much that goes on at our convention. So if you want to know more about it, just visit the website, fabeg.com. Come join us. If you have a young artist, again, we have a program just for them, right? You love it? Do you have a great time when you go?
Yes.
What did you learn last year?
Well, we did make we put in some kind of Play-Doh onto those cart thingies.
And what, also you made some bling. Did you learn how to face paint? Did you learn about techniques? Did you have fun? And Kelly and Paula are awesome, right? And
My mom went to a class too.
Yes, her mom is awesome. So it is a family event. We encourage you. Thank you, Robin, again for being my model. So let's get started. This bunny stencil has been a lifesaver, so we're definitely going to use it for these fast designs. Make sure you get yourself one. This is a Pink Power bunny stencil, and I love it, and I use it so much. So let's get started. I like to use a rainbow arty cake for this one, kind of like my bunny sitting on a rainbow. So what I like to do is use any rainbow themed arty cake or fun stroke. The Leanne collection is awesome. So I'm going to use the arty angle brush to start off making this design. And what I like to do is just start off here from the corner of the eye, and I start on an angle, and what I'm going to do is just create that little rainbow going down. Just like that. So it's important when you're going to use a stencil to just make sure that the first layer you put down is already dry. So then I'm just going to take my bunny head stencil. I loaded up my sponge with white, and I'm just going to put it right here on the corner, and I'm just going to fill in really quickly. Okay, so here I have a little bunny head with a rainbow. And then we're just going to put the little hand right here. That's going to be right on the top of the rainbow on this side, as if he's peeking over the rainbow, and another one right there. Then with your white sponge again, I'm just kind of patting in some fluffy clouds right here at the bottom of her rainbow. In the middle, I'm going to create the nose, and then just two little teardrops for the ears, inside of the ears. Then you're going to take a little bit of black, and you can outline it. You don't have to, you can leave it without it, but you can just add a little more detail. Now just make the little eyes using a little bit of black, and the little happy mouth on the bottom of your bunny right underneath the nose. And you can leave it just like this. If it's a line buster, you do not have to do much more than that. If you want to add more to it, you obviously can. So now what I'm going to do is just give the whole bunny a little bit of an outline, just because he's kind of peering over the rainbow. Okay, so now I just created a little bit, I used a little bit of a dark blue to outline my bunny peering over the rainbow, and added a few little clouds at the bottom. And to finish off, So I'm going to finish off using my favorite stencil. This is the Ooh Star stencil. It's awesome because of the round shape. So I'm just going to add a few little stars over my clouds because that's always fun. And then just a few little stars right over here to add a little bit more fun to this design. And you see you have a fast peeking over the rainbow bunny cheek art right here. So let's add some glitter to it. So Pixie paint is one of my favorite glitters ever. It is a gel glitter. The only problem with it is you can't put it over the design. So what I like to do is I like to just take it and I put it on the outside, just like a little bit here, just kind of and along the, oops. Okay, so to finish off, I like to just use the Mama Clown glitter on top of the Pixie paint because it makes it stick the whole day, adds a little bit more glitter, and there you go. So start off with an Artie cake. This is a new Artie cake from the Patty de Leon line, which is going to be out in April 1st. I'm so excited. So I love, love, love these colors. They're nice and bright. They look good on every skin tone. So I like to start off when I make this design, just making kind of like that oblong shape, just like this, because we're going to turn that into a fun egg. So then you're going to pick up your Easter Bunny stencil again and some white paint, and we're just going to, at the very top of that shape, we're going to just fill in again. Now what I like to do before I take off the stencil is just apply a little bit of glitter. That way it sticks directly in that area. Now you have the body and the head. Then I'm going to take my Easter egg stencil again with the white paint. So I'm just going to lay it over this design, and then I'm just going to fill in whatever I can without overlapping the head. Okay. So then I have a cute little Easter bunny head right there with an Easter egg. Take your little drop brush, big drop brush. We're gonna make the little Easter or the little bunny feet by just making it kind of like a teardrop and a teardrop right there for the little feet, and then two little ones for the hands, okay? This is also one of my favorite stencils. This is the Fancy Daisy stencil in the Pink Power collection. It's a great embellishment stencil. So I'll take the little one. So now I just started off by adding a little bit of pink inside of the ears and a little bit for the nose, and then inside for the feet, just like that. Then the little eyes. This is the pink pixie paint. It's called Pretty in Pink. It's so pretty. It's perfect for the Easter pastel colors. So again, just to make it even more fabulous, sorry about that, I'm just going to add a little bit here and there. And then I'm going to close your eyes. Just add a little bit more glitter. All right, so turn this way at the camera. Smile. What is Easter without a fast Easter bunny? This happens to be one of my most popular designs for fast little kitties. So I like to load my sponge up with a little bit of pink mixed with gold on my sponge so that I can have a nice cheek color. Okay, so I have them smile. Then I just add a little bit of color to her cheeks. So with a little drop brush or a big drop brush, that'll probably make it easier, just pick up a little bit of white. I start off with the first ear, which is like 2 teardrops next to each other, and then I make another one but a little bit shorter, and then from the bottom I come up with 2 more. So that's the folded ear. So 2 teardrops down, 1 up, and back down to meet in the middle. Comienza con las orejas. Uno grande con 2 gotitas y otro para abajo, arriba y para abajo, por el centro. Okay. Then right underneath the nose, right here, 2 circles. Then just fill them in. Just like that. Okay, so then we're gonna do the nose from the bottom, then the inside of the ear. So you're only gonna go halfway here and full way there, just like that. I like to pick up my flower stencil again. I think it makes a great centerpiece. If you have bling, use bling. Either way, this is just a fast way to get it done. So right inside of here. Now I'm just gonna outline the nose, the mouth, give it a little bit of detail. So the same way that we did the bunny face on the last ones, on the little cheek arch, we're gonna do the same idea here. So right. You can add eyeshadow, you can add color over the eyes, but this is a fast, super fast bunny design. Then, last but not least, Robin has been amazing. Little bit of dots, then whiskers, just like that. I would just go in and add a little bit of white underneath those whiskers to soften them up. If you want to add any highlights, then close your eyes for me one more time. I like to just come underneath and add a little bit more of an under eye eyelash right inside of there. So I'll just use a little bit of glitter, kind of just drag it down on her nose. I'll put a little bit here and here, and then right inside of here. Now this is where some people have an idea to put little bunny teeth, and that is up to you. I always say know your model, and I'll show you what they look like. Some kids like it, some kids eat it off right away. So the purpose would be to get a picture before it goes away. But I would just put down 2 little rectangles and keep it away from going inside of the mouth, because then you know what happens. If it gets close enough to their spit line, it's just gonna rub right off, okay? This is a super fast bunny rabbit that I do when the line is getting too long and the parents are going crazy. You can get this done really, really, really quickly. And if you have any extra time, you can always add some pixie paint right along here. That's always a fun thing, but this is a fast and easy bunny that I like to do. When it's boys, I don't put the little flower in the middle of it. I'll just add a little bit of flock of hair. Give me 5. All right. Okay guys, thank you again for hanging out with me and Robin. She was such a great model. Give me 5. Like I said, come join me and her at Fabeik. I promise you will not be upset that you came. You will enjoy it. You will love it. You'll give us lots of hugs. I hope these fast Easter designs help you while you're on the job with all those kids waiting in line. These are just fast line busters, using some of those stencils to help you get the most out of the Easter season. All right, guys, have a great day.